that asphalt or this concrete's much hotter. In fact, I'll have to show you. We have a cool road temperature for, graphic that shows the road temperatures. 135 degrees is some of the road temperatures we're seeing across areas of northern Utah with these temperatures. Hey, some of the clouds may be a welcome sight from some of the hot temperatures. It's helping to chip away at some of the temperatures that we are seeing out there. A little bit of rain even popping up with this Utah Lake camera off of the distance there. People probably coming off of the lake to avoid some of these showers, even some thunderstorms. These showers have been associated with a severe thunderstorm warning, which is now going to expire here shortly. A lot of the showers have kind of weakened as they're moving across some of the West Mountains, Oquirrh Mountains as well, but we will see some of the impacts across the Wasatch Front as well, with some gusty winds and a chance for some rain. There's a severe thunderstorm warning over areas of the Great Salt Lake, impacting just the far west edges of Weber-Davis counties. Over Antelope Island just included in that, but those should also kind of weaken as they move off towards the east as well. Either way, though, if you're going to be out and about this afternoon, in the next half hour, these winds and some of the rains will impact some of your outdoor activities. And of course, if you hear thunder or see lightning, head indoors. Storm threat encompassing much of northern Utah. Marginal risk that's been upgraded since this morning, which means we have the potential for some stronger wind gusts with the storms that do form, and of course, even some hail, although some of the storms we've seen have only had pea-size hail, which is manageable with thunderstorms that have moved through. Futurecast into this evening, showing that we will remain under a threat of some showers into tomorrow morning. By late morning and afternoon, a lot of the moisture moves off towards the east, with the front that's actually well off to the east of us as well, pulling further away from the state. We'll see clearing skies, but some breezy winds sticking around, especially some stronger winds across the southeast corner where we have that red flag warning in effect. We'll show you more on the timing on that here coming up. Wednesday, Thursday, in fact, looks pretty quiet. Dry weather is expected to take over with southwest flow as high pressure builds back in across the state for the rest of the week. So it's just today and tomorrow where we still have that risk of a few isolated storms. So just this light green shaded area shows just a marginal risk of, or just a general risk, excuse me, of thunderstorms. No severe storms expected, but across the far northeast corner could see a severe thunderstorm or two for areas of Uinta or Duchesne counties. Independence Day forecast then. The Wasatch Front, 90s, mostly sunny skies, 80s across southern Idaho, eastern Nevada, northern Utah, southwest Wyoming, partly cloudy, maybe an isolated shower or storm across eastern Utah and southeastern Utah as well. Southern Utah, hot temperatures and mainly sunshine continuing. Winds expected to again remain blustery, could have increased fire danger, even though there aren't red flag warnings across southern Utah this afternoon and evening. We could see if fires do start, those spread quickly with the hot temperatures and some of these winds associated with this passing front. Tomorrow, most of the wind focused on the southwest corner. Southwestern Utah not under a wind advisory, but it will be breezy, if not blustery, for St. George on your Tuesday afternoon. Into the evening hours, wind should kind of taper off. In fact, the red flag warning that's been issued goes from about noon tomorrow through 10 p.m. tomorrow evening, so could impact. Of course, you don't want to really light fireworks in areas where we have red flag warnings to avoid those burns. We have relative humidity down to just 7 to 12%, wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour expected. St. George forecast then. Triple-digit heat is here to stay. 106 tomorrow after, again, we've been as hot as 108 today. Sunny skies all the way through the rest of the week with those breezy winds. The Wasatch Front, we drop off just a little bit. We're still above average by a degree or two. 91, in fact, for the high tomorrow, with a slight chance of storms mainly before noon. Breezy winds as well. Temperatures start to rebound. We'll be back in the 90s, mid-90s, I should say. Thursday, Friday, lots of sunshine, and the next weekend looking great so far. 96 on Saturday and Sunday. We just have to get used to this heat now. It's here to stay.
Yeah. Back up closer to those triple digits.
Yeah, hopefully we're not going to hit 100 again. I think this is our only shot for the next 7 days or so. But
fine by me.
We know that more just around the corner, I'm sure.
Yeah, no doubt. All right,
thanks for
Nate.
bringing the hot news, Nate.